Welcome to my bathroom. So it is Monday at 10:33 and I'm already done with this entire week. Actually, it's fine. It's fine. I feel like every time I try to be really positive, the world is just like, guess what? No. So yeah, today, if you couldn't tell by the title, we're gonna change this little chicken hair I have going on. If you have not been around for a while, if you're new here, my hair situation is I used to bleach all of it, and I, the fool that I am, thought to myself, hey, you know what would be a good idea that you definitely won't just change in 4 months? Let's let your natural hair grow out. As I literally think there is a video where I said this. It's like, hey, I'm gonna let my hair grow out. I'm probably gonna regret this and change it back in 4 months. I'm pretty sure that's out there because I know myself. It's not that I don't like what my hair looks like. I mean, right now it's dirty, it's a disaster, don't look at me. But it's not that I hate how it looks or anything, or that there's not points when I'm like, yeah, gold hair is pretty on me. It's just, I don't know, have you ever been depressed? And I find it's a common pattern for me that when I feel terrible, that's actually when I want to look the best, because it's like, at least I'm hot. I might die for many reasons. I've got a handful of things that could kill me right now, but at least my corpse will look great. I think, personally, I look best when I am bleach blonde. And you know what else? It's not even about that, because I think I look great all the time. Don't hate the player, hate the game. But my point is that I feel the best when my head is just dry as it possibly could be. So what I'm getting at is I spent a lot of money trying to get my hair to a point where I could let it grow out, and then like not even a year later was like, let's spend a lot of money to get it right back to where it was, but more damage. Time to find out if it's actually cold or Ira just likes to freeze us.
I like to freeze us.
Yeah, I noticed. Mildly chilly, still smoky, despite Ira removing our tape. We had clean air for like 2 minutes and Ira's just opening all the doors.
Put all the towels in the hamper that were jammed under the doors.
He got a little overexcited though.
Very.
Yeah, I gotta leave you, fluffy dog. All right, have fun with Ira. Bye.
She did it. She's a human. She's a person again.
In light, de natural. It looks kind of lavender, at least in the viewfinder, but that's likely just toner and will most likely wash out. But until then, I'm here for it. I asked and I considered doing like I know it's very like 2000s, very on trend right now, but I've seen a lot of people do like 2 pieces, just like really blocky right in the front. I thought about doing like 2 purple pieces, and ultimately I was like, I haven't had my hair be just one color in a really long time. And also I have purple dye and pink dye. So if I need to do that, I think it would be really easy to do and I could just do it myself. Someone is still so pumped. Why are you sitting like that?
Many months later.
So hi. This might be me in the future, as you can tell by the roots that have already grown in. I realize I just never ended this vlog today, the day that it's going up. Footage not found. So yes, I feel like I didn't actually show you properly how my hair looks, although you kind of probably have seen it in previous videos, and if you haven't, you better be new. I joke, I yoke. But yes, this is what my hair looks like, even though it has now been probably a month. Personally, I'm very happy with it. I find on the internet everyone and everything is more than happy to share their opinions with me on how I would look better with certain hair colors or eye colors or face colors or like literally anything. I just feel the most at home with my head bleached. So moral to this story is I'm feeling better. Like I know that it kind of seems stupid probably, but I do not care. When I moved out here, I had red hair, and the reason why I kind of, not like dramatically, but pretty abruptly, I guess I would say, the reason why I dyed my hair back to blonde was because I was like, I'm feeling sad. And sometimes I'm just sad enough that I'm like, let's just like, we need to just revert back to our natural selves. And that's this for me. Is it actually natural? No, but it feels that way, okay? I just feel like it's a perfect time to give yourself the okay to be like, hey, if getting my hair done is going to make me feel good on the longer term scale of things, maybe I should do that. Because the thing is for me is that I'm like, I like myself and I think it's important to like yourself regardless of whatever you look like. I think that's always the basis. That's where you need to be, folks. But I'm also just saying sometimes it feels better to look in the mirror and be like, yeah, cool. So yes, that's what's happening here. Things are going much better. Things have come around. I am not having to sue someone, which was an ordeal then. My internal organs are still giving me grief, but I don't think I'm dying, so that's an improvement. We can breathe fresh air, folks. Just saying. Did me bleaching my hair kind of save the universe? I don't know, we're gonna find out in 6 days. But I hope you found this random, just probably 10 minutes of me talking about nothing enjoyable. Thank you. Go do something that makes you feel better about life. I don't know, maybe go fold all your blankets and clothes that are just there. You know there are some. And have a nice day. Bye. Thank you for watching.